What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and this is going to be a vlog of my experience getting my tire change for my EV here, okay? And it's going to be for the very first time. And I'm very sure a lot of drivers, including EV owners, okay, they are not sure or curious what are the suitable tires for your car. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys lah, okay? Let's go! Okay, driving now to the workshop, and the location is at Salak South. And the tire that I'm going to change to is the SportContact 7 by Continental. So I've actually done some research, watched some YouTube, and I asked some friends, and the final decision that I've made is the SportContact 7. So I've just done talking with the mechanic and had some discussion with him, and according to him, the Continental SportContact 7 is the best tire in the world. But I shall be the judge of that, okay? Apparently this SC7 is a high performance tire that provides sporty driving experience, which is perfect for me because EVs gives instant power demand and it matches the quick pickup from this car. So even though this is a performance tire, the noise level is very acceptable. So the SportContact 7 tires I'm using is 235, 45R, 19, 95 wide. And if you're not familiar with the numbers, I asked boss to explain for us.
即是講佢個 speed 可以行到幾快咯。呢個95係即是講high performer 嘅
high performance tire啦。Oh, okay. Okay, so I have talked to the boss about the load index and also the speed index. So apparently 95 means it can take load up to 690 kg, and Y means it can go up to 300 km per hour. But then again, I also know that all Continental tires are suitable for EV cars, okay? We just need to know the load index, speed index, and whether it's compatible with your car model. This means we can enjoy performance tires even when we are driving an EV. Okay, so we are done with the tire change. Look at these patterns, so stylish and sporty, right? Oh, one more thing. Continental has this Total Confidence Plan or TCP for owners. This plan lets us have 1-to-1 tire replacement, 1-year road hazard coverage and more. We can manage all this using the app. The boss told me about this just now, so I thought it's good to share lah. Okay, time to let me drive one round to see the feeling. Okay, first driving experience, the tire is very smooth, very silent and also very grippy, and that also means when I speed and brake, it brakes efficiently. Hence, there is no worry that it will slip or something. Okay, so that was my tire change experience, okay? If you want to know more about that and also the Continental SportContact 7, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, eVectricPop. And if you want to know more about Continental tires, check out the description below and click on the link to find out more. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.